Welcome back to channel. We finally got a look at the full design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including details about its back design, weight, thickness, camera improvements, satellite SOs, and more. There's a lot to cover, so let's jump in. Hey guys, Sal here. OnLeaks just showed off the design of the S25 Ultra, and it looks almost the same as the S24 Ultra from the back. The cameras are in the same layout, which isn't surprising. Samsung seems to have hit a limit with its camera design. Unlike other brands, they don't use a camera island, and changing the look now would mean going back to an older style, which wouldn't be a good move. I like the individual lens design, and I'm glad Samsung isn't adding unnecessary features like a dedicated camera button just for the sake of it. If you look closely, the camera ring design might remind you of the Z Fold 6 with the grooves around the lenses, but Ice Universe has confirmed that the S25 Ultra won't have those grooves. It'll look more like the S24 Ultra, so no big changes there. So what's new? For starters, the sides of the S25 Ultra are now flat, similar to the S24 Plus. The back is slightly curved, which wasn't mentioned much in the leaks. The phone's corners are also chamfered, rounded off, which could make it more comfortable to hold. Personally, I like the boxier look of the older models. One big change is the bezel. It's the thinnest ever on a smartphone, even thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's a pretty cool design win. Overall, the S25 Ultra still looks like a Galaxy Note, which is great for Note fans like me. Now let's talk about video. You probably have heard that iPhones are better for video recording, while Samsung is better for photos. I agree. iPhones have had a slight edge in video quality. But the S25 Ultra could change that. Ice Universe says the video recording on the S25 Ultra has been improved, and this is confirmed. If you love shooting videos like me, this is exciting news. The phone still has the same 200MP main sensor, but software improvements and a better image processor are making the videos better. The ultra-wide camera is also getting a big upgrade, going from 12MP to 50MP. This means you can zoom in on ultra-wide shots without losing much detail, which is super useful. More megapixels also help with macro shots and better 8K video. But here's some bad news. Rumors said the S25 Ultra would have a 50MP 3x telephoto camera, but that's not happening. Instead, Samsung is sticking with the 10MP 3x telephoto lens they've used since the S21 Ultra. I love using the 3x zoom for perfectly framed shots, so I was hoping for an upgrade here. More resolution would have made for better portraits and sharper images at 3x zoom, so I'm a little disappointed. One thing I'm impressed with is the weight reduction. We already knew it would be lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but now we know the S25 Ultra weighs just 219 grams. For comparison, the S24 Ultra weighs 233 grams, so it's 14 grams lighter, but still has the same battery size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is heavier at 227 grams. Plus, the S25 Ultra is the thinnest S Ultra ever, at 8.2mm thick minus 0.4mm thinner than the S24 Ultra. That's a noticeable change. The screen is a bit wider, but with thinner bezels, the phone feels narrower and should be comfortable to hold. Finally, here's some great news for those interested in satellite communication. The S25 Ultra has been certified and will officially support satellite communication. The S24 Ultra was supposed to have this feature, but Samsung pulled it at the last minute. This time it's happening. Like Google's version on the Pixel 9, it will probably be for emergency use only, with no two-way messaging. Google offers this for free for 2 years, so we'll see if Samsung does something similar. Before I go, if you have the S24 Ultra, you should get the own UI 6.11 software update soon. I made a video about the 24 new features in that update. Click here to check it out, and I'll see you there.